Did you know that cats have abilities that even humans don't understand? In this video, you'll discover 30 surprising facts about cats that will leave you speechless. From secrets about their keen sense of smell to the incredible acrobatics they can perform thanks to their unique bodies, get ready to see your feline in a whole new way. If you're a cat lover or have just ever wondered how extraordinary they can be, stay until the end. We assure you, you won't be able to stop being amazed by everything these mysterious beings have to teach us. Let's begin. 1. Cats can't taste sweet. Strange as it may seem, cats can't taste sweet. As obligate carnivores, their digestive system is designed to process animal proteins, and they don't need plant sugars. Throughout their evolution, they've lost the genetic receptor for sweetness, as it's not relevant to their diet. When your cat approaches your treats, it's not because of the sweet taste, but because of the texture, smell, or fat elements that are attractive to them as natural hunters. 2. Cats can't see in complete darkness. Despite their incredible agility at night, cats can't see in complete darkness. Their low-light vision is due to a special layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light through the retina, allowing them to see better than humans in dim light. However, it's surprising to think that, although our felines move so agilely at night, they still need some light. 3. Cats share 90% of their DNA with humans. This fact is truly impressive, implying that many biological processes, such as organ development, the immune system, and metabolism, are surprisingly similar between the two species. This genetic similarity not only reinforces the emotional connection we feel with them, but also explains why cats are a common model in scientific studies, especially in research into genetic diseases and medical treatments. 4. Cats' grooming is essential for their survival. Cats lick their bodies after eating not only to clean their fur, but also as an evolutionary strategy to hide food odors and avoid attracting predators. This behavior also provides them with a sense of relaxation and helps reduce stress. 5. Cats' heart rates are much higher than humans. A cat's heart rate can reach 220 beats per minute, much higher than humans. If you've ever gotten up close to your cat and felt their tiny heart pounding, you know that this tireless energy isn't just a reflection of their metabolism. It's the vitality that makes them so dynamic, always ready for action. Your cat's heart beats with a passion for life, and that's something we should all learn to appreciate. 6. Cats' flexibility is impressive. Cats are true acrobatic experts thanks to their extremely flexible spine, which has additional vertebrae in the lumbar region. This allows them to make large leaps and move with agility, adapting to tight and complex spaces, a behavior that makes them highly efficient hunters. 7. Cats have floating collarbones. Cats' collarbones are not attached to other bones, giving them great flexibility in their shoulders and allowing them to perform surprising movements. This characteristic helps them jump, run quickly, and move with agility, which is an advantage for their predatory abilities. Every time your cat glides nimbly, you're seeing a reflection of that innate ability to adapt to any situation. 8. Cats sweat through their paws. Although cats don't sweat all over their bodies like humans, they do have sweat glands located in the pads of their paws. This helps them regulate their body temperature, but it's not their primary means of cooling off. When cats are stressed or overheated, small, wet paw prints of sweat can be seen on the floor. 9. Cats rub against people to mark their territory. That small gesture of rubbing against you is much more than a simple physical act. It's a sign of trust. Cats have pheromone glands in their cheeks and heads, and when they rub against each other, they leave their scent on people or objects, creating a sense of familiarity and security. Your cat sees you as part of their world and is telling you, in the sweetest way possible, you are safe here. By rubbing against you, they mark you as theirs, creating a deep connection between the two of you. 10. Cats can detect changes in the human body. Did you know that your cat can sense when something isn't right with you? Their keen sense of smell and intuition allow them to detect changes in your body before you do. They can detect low blood glucose levels or even certain diseases and malignant tumors. This strengthens the special relationship we have with them, because even if they don't speak, they are always attentive to our well-being. 11. Cats sleep between 12 and 16 hours a day. Cats are known for being great sleepers. This need for rest is due to their nature as hunters, as they need to conserve energy for quick attacks when hunting. During sleep, a cat's brain processes information and ensures its physical and mental well-being. 12. A cat's purr has healing properties. A cat's purr is much more than a sign of contentment. It is a healing act, both for them and for us. Purring frequencies between 25 and 150 Hz are associated with tissue regeneration and pain relief, helping both cats and their owners feel better. 13. Cats have an exceptionally good memory. Although cats are often best known for their hunting abilities, they also have an impressive memory. They are able to remember places and objects, and have an excellent spatial memory that helps them find their way and locate essential resources like food or shelter. Cats will not forget what you have taught them or the moments they have shared with you. This memory is not only linked to their survival, but also to the emotional bonds they create. Cats never forget the love and care they receive. 14. Cats use their tails to communicate. A cat's tail is its secret language. It is a key tool in communication. Watching the way it moves its tail gives you clues about its emotional state. Each movement is a declaration of its inner world. A raised tail indicates happiness or confidence, while a puffed tail can be a sign of fear or aggression. 15. Cats have a much more developed sense of smell than humans. Cats' sense of smell is 14 to 16 times more acute than humans, allowing them to detect very subtle scents. Cats' sense of smell not only allows them to hunt, but also to sense the presence of those they love. When they approach you and sniff you, they are reassuring themselves that you are okay, recognizing your scent. 16. Cats can make great jumps. Seeing a cat jump so high or so far can be one of the most amazing sights. Thanks to their highly developed muscles in their hind legs, cats can jump up to 6 times their body length. This leap allows them to hunt prey and quickly escape from predators, a crucial skill for their survival. 17. Cats can see 200 degrees. A cat's panoramic vision allows them to always be alert. Unlike humans, who have a field of vision of approximately 180 degrees, cats can see up to 200 degrees. This allows them to always be alert to their surroundings and detect movements that humans might miss. 18. Cats aren't 100% independent. Although cats can be quite self-sufficient, they need us as much as we need them. Despite their reputation for being solitary, they seek connection, love, and attention. They teach us that there's nothing wrong with seeking support, even if we are independent. 19. Cats have a small but efficient heart. A cat's heart is considerably smaller in proportion to its body size than a human's. However, despite their small size, their hearts are highly efficient, brimming with intensity and passion, allowing them to remain active and agile throughout their lives. Although small, their hearts have the capacity to fuel all their energy and vitality. 20. Cats have incredibly acute hearing. Cats have the ability to hear much higher frequencies than humans, allowing them to detect even the most subtle sounds. Their hearing acuity far exceeds ours, as they can perceive sounds in the range of 48 Hz to 85 Hz. This gives them the ability to detect the movement of small prey that we would not be able to hear. 21. Cats sense safety through smells. Cats' sense of smell is crucial to their survival, as it helps them perceive whether an environment is safe or unsafe. Upon arriving in a new space, cats carefully sniff every corner, looking for chemical cues or pheromones that indicate whether the place is familiar or potentially dangerous. Their sense of smell is an essential tool for cats to feel safe. 22. Cats have very diverse sleep patterns. Although cats sleep between 12 and 16 hours a day on average, their sleep patterns vary depending on their age, health, and environment. Young and old cats tend to sleep more, while active adult cats have more regular sleep cycles. 23. Cats are territorial. Although they are independent animals, cats are deeply territorial. They establish boundaries and mark their territory through their pheromones, whether by rubbing against objects or scratching surfaces. This behavior is a way of saying, "This is my space, and I feel safe here." 24. Cats have a strict carnivorous diet. The carnivorous nature of cats reflects their instinctive purity. They are obligate carnivores, meaning they depend on animal protein for the nutrients they need. Unlike dogs, cats cannot digest carbohydrates efficiently. Their digestive system is designed to process meat, and they need the amino acids, vitamins, and minerals found only in animal sources, so their diet must be rich in meat. 25. Cats are great jumpers, but they prefer to land on their feet. Cats are excellent jumpers thanks to their powerful hind legs and agility. However, what truly makes them unique is their ability to land on their feet, even from great heights. This phenomenon is due to their extremely flexible spine and keen sense of balance. When landing, cats quickly twist their bodies in the air, aligning their spine and paws so they can land safely. This instinct, known as the riding reflex, is an evolutionary adaptation that helps them survive in the wild, ensuring they always land safely and maintain their agility. 26. Cats don't need frequent bathing. Cats don't require frequent bathing thanks to their natural ability to groom themselves. Their raspy tongue allows them to clean their fur very effectively, removing dirt, food debris, and parasites. This behavior not only keeps their fur clean but also helps them regulate their body temperature and relax. 27. Cats can predict the weather. Cats have an amazing ability to detect changes in the weather before humans do. It is believed that their sensitivity to variations in atmospheric pressure allows them to perceive the arrival of storms, earthquakes, or climate changes. Some cats display unusual behaviors, such as restlessness or hiding, just before weather events. This keen sense of their surroundings reflects their survival instinct. Their ability to adapt quickly demonstrates their deep connection with nature. 28. Cats have a unique way of communicating. Although cats use meowing to communicate with humans, in the wild they rarely do so with each other. This behavior is unique to their interaction with humans, demonstrating their ability to adapt to our environment and understand that this sound is an effective way to get our attention. The meow is their primary means of communicating with us, whether to ask for food, attention, or express discomfort, underscoring the special bond they have with their owners. 29. Cats are smarter than we think. Cats possess an amazing intelligence that we often underestimate. They are excellent learners and have a remarkable ability to solve problems. They can learn to use tools, open doors, and even perform tricks, demonstrating their ability to adapt and understand their environment. Furthermore, their spatial memory is exceptional, allowing them to remember the locations of objects or routes for days. 30. Cats recognize their owners. Cats have an incredible ability to recognize their owners, using visual, olfactory, and auditory cues. Their keen sense of smell allows them to identify their owner's unique scent, while they also associate their voice with moments of comfort and food. Cats show their recognition by rubbing, purring, or following you around the house, demonstrating their attachment and trust toward you. How long can a cat remember its former owner? To what extent does its memory retain the ties of the past? Don't miss the video now streaming and delve into the amazing world of feline memory. Click and discover how, when, and why a cat never forgets someone it loves. I assure you, what you're about to learn will thrill you. Of all the 30 facts we shared today, which one surprised you the most? Did you learn anything new about cats? We'd love to hear it, so leave your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to continue learning and surprising us with more interesting facts about our beloved felines. See you next time, and thanks for joining us.